Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Hi, this is the requested video. Today's topic is permutation and combinations. The question is from October-November 2014, variant 6.2, question 2. Find the number of different ways that 6 boys and 4 girls can stand in a line if all boys stand next to each other. Okay, first, we try to put 6 boys and the girls. All right, so since the question wants all the boys stand next to each other, that means the girls, they are not next to each other. So we list down this way, we put circle to indicate that all the boys are next to each other. Then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means there are 5 groups of people to be arranged, and there are 5 factorial ways to arrange them. All right. And at the same time, the 6 boys, when they are grouped together, they can also arrange among themselves. And by using multiplication rule, the total number of ways for the arrangement is given by 5 factorial times 6 factorial. And hence the answer will be 6400. All right, so that is the part 1. So now we look at the part 2. Okay, no girl stands next to another girl. So in other words, means all the girls are separated. So we list down all the boys. So the first boy until the last one. First, we have how many ways to arrange the boys? 6 factorial ways to arrange the boys. And then we try to put the girls in between the boys. And we can count. There are 7 different places we have. And we pick any 4 of them to arrange the 4 girls. And that will be the 7p4 ways. And hence, to find the total number of ways, again, by using multiplication rule, we multiply them and we get the total number of ways. Right? By using calculator, we find out the number of ways for this is 604,800. All right? So these are the number of ways to arrange the boys and girls, and so that no girl stand next to another girl. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Bye-bye.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.